What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wingstop Poppy, and we're back to another video. Now today's video, as you guys can tell, we're back in my current location. And with that said, we did have another sneaker delivery this afternoon. Actually got these on Nike sneakers and they came today. So let's get into this unboxing. But before we get into this unboxing, please feel free to hit that like, subscribe. Feel free to follow me on Instagram down below to see how I style all my sneakers and outfits. Now, I'm still on the fence about these. I'm not sure. I'm gonna keep them, so I'm not sure if you're gonna see them on Instagram. So I'm not sure, but let's just get right into it. I'll give you guys my honest thoughts and opinions on these shoes. So yes, as you can tell by this red box, you probably know what these are. That's the Air Jordan 14 Gym Red, Toro, whatever you want to call it. Sizing label reads Air Jordan 14 Retro, black, Gym Red, off-white, retail $190, size 10.5. Personal pair if I do decide to keep them. And yeah, these were hard to get. I got lucky on sneakers. I know a lot of people struck out. I know on release day prices went up in like the 300 range, which was nuts, especially for 14s, because the 14 I don't think is really one of the more popular models. But anyways, let's just get right into it. And bang bang, here they are, the Air Jordan 14 Toro / Gym Red, whatever you want to call these. And right off the bat, these bang in person. Like, this red is so deep, and I'm just picturing, the first thing I thought of when I saw these was picturing Michael Jordan in the all black alternate uni wearing these. Like, just think about it, and these shoes are so much more fire when you have like that visual in your head. But other than that, like I said, these are pretty fire off the bat. Going into some details off the shoe, you got your Air Jordan 14 Ferrari logo right here and its original location. Now, if some of you guys don't know, the Air Jordan 14 is based on Michael Jordan's love of Ferraris. So there's definitely some Ferrari features in here. As you guys can see, the tail lights in the back. Flip and dip, we got the carbon fiber plate with the red Jumpman on it, and there's a red 14 logo over there. And then, of course, you have one of my favorite parts of the shoe is the vent. I think that was like a genius idea to throw the vent in there. So it gives your foot some circulation when you're playing basketball or walking around. And then the off-white of this shoe, which I read on the sizing label, is actually on the shark teeth, as you can see right here. But then this part of the midsole where my finger is, this is actually like a pure white. I do like the off-white. It doesn't look too off-white though. You have to really be looking at the shoe, because I think on the camera, it's not really like a deep off-white. It's definitely off-white, but it's not like a deep like cream colored off-white, if that makes any sense. Anyways, we got the black toe box, which is pretty much like the OG 14, which I wish I had. Basically, this is just the black toe 14 dipped in red. I wish I had the black toe 14s. If I had the black toe 14s, I definitely probably wouldn't need these. But anyways, white Jumpman on the toe box. Work your way up on the tongue. We got the Jordan logo in red. Flip and dip, we got the Roman numeral 14. And a little fun fact for everyone watching. I'm assuming this is the case for you, but I actually learned my Roman numerals just by Jordan Retro. So comment down below if you did the same, because if it wasn't for Jordan Retros, I probably would have no idea what Roman numerals are. Anyways, getting to the back of the shoe, we actually have some gray mesh on top, and then we got our white Jumpman and 23 on the back as well. And overall, these are very, very clean. Like I said, I could definitely see Michael Jordan wearing these back in the day, and I definitely think these could have been an OG colorway, just because when I see these, besides seeing him in that all black alternate uni, I definitely just see the Chicago Bulls logo. Like, if I was a Bulls player and I was sponsored by Jordan, I would definitely have to bring these out for a game for sure. It kind of sucks that Zach LaVine is Adidas. Yeah, he's Adidas. Imagine him like wearing these in like the dunk contest or something, or like honoring Michael Jordan. That'd be pretty sick. But anyways, I definitely think these are a dope color. If you are a Bulls fan, these are a great cop as well. I do have a few Bulls shorts I can wear with these. However, I have so many black and red Jordans, I just don't know if I need to keep these. I did get rid of my Supreme 14s a while ago, so these could fill that void very easily. I definitely like these better than the Supreme 14s. Definitely agree that people said this is the best non-OG colorway of the 14. I totally agree with that. However, when it comes to releases of the past years, I know in 2018 we got the Last Shots, and then last year we got the Candy Canes. I'm definitely taking Candy Canes over these. I just like that white a lot better, even though I don't have the Candy Canes. But I definitely like the candy canes better. I like the last shots over these, and I like the I like the black toes better as well. But basically for non-OGs, this is definitely the best one. I still like the OGs better than these. But definitely a nice shoe overall, especially if you're a fan of 14s. You will not be disappointed. The only thing I will have to say bad about this shoe, I'm not sure the camera is going to pick this up, but there are some markings on this nubuck. This nubuck is nice. It doesn't have like a backstroke motion or anything, but feels good. The suede on the toe cap feels pretty good as well. I just don't know about the durability. It feels like this could be faded out really quick. I definitely would not wear these in the rain. Just a heads up, do not wear these on a raining day because you'll probably have some issues with the material. But yeah, as you can see like some markings in the nubuck. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but just be aware if you're picky about stuff like that, this might not be the best shoe for you. I just think that's how the material comes. Obviously, when you're mass producing a bunch of these shoes, that stuff's gonna happen. But overall, I do think they're nice. Now, sizing on these, I would go true to size. All my 14s I've had have always been true to size, so that's my sizing recommendation. And then resale, if you're looking to pick these up, right now they're like $260, $270. I think they're gonna stay that way for the time being, but just with like all other Jordan retros, they will go up in price. I know the Last Dance kind of made 14s a little more popular, just because that last episode obviously showed the last shot, which you wore the 14s in. So that made the 14s very desirable for a lot of people just because that nostalgia factor kicked in while you were watching the show. But I do think these things will like settle around 270, 280 for the next couple months. But definitely if you're on the fence about picking these up, just buy them before next summer, because like every OG Jordan, especially in like a Bulls colorway, these definitely will go up by next summer. So yeah, I would just go ahead and grab them in the next 3 months if you're looking to get these. But yeah, I don't think you would be disappointed by picking these up. I think it's a nice shoe overall. Really like the color. I would probably rate these at 8.4 out of 10. That's what I'm going to give them. The only reason why I knocked it down from a 9, just because this nubuck just has those markings. But if you get over that, it's a really fire shoe. But yeah, that's going to do my video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh yeah, one last thing. No extra laces in these. I forgot to mention. But I will have to say, if you got white laces and you have these, white laces I think would look absolutely amazing in these. So I would love to see that. If you have white laces, definitely I would recommend putting them in these. Sucks they didn't come with white laces, but it is what it is. So yeah, that's going to do my video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace!